The BruKon brush container is a brilliantly simple brush cleaner and storage solution in one. It uses less cleaning fluid than other methods, and no power is required. It works for most paintbrushes and for painting of all kinds. Since 1991, BruKon has transformed the way professionals keep their workplace clean. BruKon is the most effective way to save solvents, save cleaning time, save the mess and save your paintbrushes. We've undertaken extensive R&D and enhanced both the material and design of the BruKon product. Now we're ready for production. BruKon is inviting you to capitalise on this comeback by crowdfunding stocks. We aim to deliver the new BruKon to you by early 2025. You'll be updated on our progress. We invite you to take part in the launching of our new version. BruKon has kept the purchasing process as simple as any online shop. Just sign up, choose the type of seller you wish to be, and once registered, you'll have specific pricing to keep it profitable for you to resell the product. Choose from various deals we have to offer: wholesaler, trade, DIY or affiliate. Order your BruKon online today.